Hello, welcome to a new episode of SketchUp.US, SketchUp for us. Today we'll have a tutorial about offset. I think will be beneficial for a lot of people to know exactly how this offset tool could be used extremely efficiently. So again, I recommend to use the shortcuts. So let's have an example. We can draw a rectangle. So click on R. We can quickly draw a rectangle, and let's have it one by one. And we're gonna use the offset tool for this surface to build a model. This offset tool will be found here in the model toolbar menu, but also could be accessed by clicking on F. So each time when you scroll over the icons, you're gonna see sometimes you have also the shortcut. In this particular case, you see F, which is the shortcut for the offset, P for the push-pull, Q for rotate, and so on. So you just need to hover over the icons and you're gonna see the shortcut for that. So if you want to make a box, you can have lift it again. Let's say 1, and we have a perfect cube. For offset, you need always a surface. You can offset by clicking on F, and again you can hover on top of the area, and he's gonna do the offset either inside, either outside. Most of the time, actually, you're gonna do it inside. But if you want to build something and you need a reference outside, you can use it for outside. So let's say we'll do an offset inside. Let's say 0.2, and here it is. With push-pull, we're gonna push this a little bit inside, go to X-ray mode, and we can go a little bit deeper or make a hole. And here is how you do the offset itself. If you double-click on another surface, he's gonna repeat the offset which you just did. So remember, this is a very useful command. Double click and you're gonna see it's quite neat. And again, if you push it in this way, you're gonna translate this face toward the other side. If you want to just build a hole again, just take this one as a reference, the face from here, and it's gonna create a hole. And again, if you want to make a hole on the other direction, click on offset or click F, and double click is going to repeat that command. P for push pull, and you push this to this reference face, and again you can have a very nice area done. So that's a fast way to construct something. Again, we can push this one here, and if we exit from the X-ray mode, you're gonna see what we got here. So we can clean up the area a little bit, and if you want to delete those faces, you just select it with space bar and click delete, and you have those. Take it off. Same for the top one. So yeah, this is how you quickly can build an open box, for example. If you want to offset again, but only some areas, you can just select what you want to offset, click on Alt option, or on Mac, or Command key on Windows, and again click on F for offset, and it's going to offset only the area which actually the lines which are selected. And here it is. Click on L to build a line, and always you need to have the surface close. When you have an area close, notice also the line become a little bit shorter. And again, with push-pull, you can move the area outside, and you can start building whatever you need. Again, double click on this one, and usually it's repeating the operation which you just did. So I think this is good to know. On this one, again, double click is gonna repeat the operation. Another cool thing about the offset tool, you can use the measurements. So each time when you want to offset, look on the measurement tab. In my case, it's lower right part of the screen, and you can type, let's say this time 0.01, and you have the exact offset. And again, usually offset is going with a push-pull, so click on F, click on P, click on F, and click on P. So it's very handy, and usually goes extremely fast. So here is how you build it. I prefer to use the X-ray mode so you can see all the lines, and usually I'm taking the extension out because the endpoints I'm taking them out so I can have a clear end of the lines. So here is how you use the offset mode. It's going extremely fast, and it's really good when you build things in 3D. So it's very helpful command, and hopefully you're gonna use